In today's lesson, we are going to learn 20 common and useful English words that every English beginner should know. For each word, we will learn the pronunciation, the meaning, an example sentence, and a useful tip. Listen carefully and repeat each word after me. Let's begin. The first word is I. It is used to refer to yourself. For example, I am learning English. The second word is you. It means used to refer to the person you're talking to. For example, you're my friend. Use you when speaking to one person or more than one person. The third word is he. Used to refer to a male person. For example, he is my brother. Use he when talking about one male person. The fourth word is she. It is used to refer to a female person. For example, she is my teacher. Use she when talking about one female person. Number 5 is it. It is used to refer to a thing or an object. For example, it is a new laptop. Use it when talking about a thing or an object. Number 6 is we. It is used to refer to a group that includes you. For example, we are going on a vacation next week. Use we when speaking about your group or team. Number 7 is they. It is used to refer to two or more people or things. For example, they are studying for the exam. Use they when talking about two or more people or things. Number 8 is this. It is used to point to a thing that is near you. For example, this is my new notebook. Use this for a thing or a person that is near you. Number 9 is that. It is used to point to a thing that is far from you. For example, that building is very tall. Use that for a thing or a person that is far from you. Number 10 is what. It is used to ask for information about something. For example, what is your name? What's your name? Use what when you want to know more about something. As you use this, it can also be used in exclamations. For example, what is a beautiful day? What's a beautiful day? Number 11 is who. It is used to ask about a person's identity. For example, who is your teacher? Use who when you want to know the person. As uses used in questions to ask about people. Example, who called you yesterday? Number 12 is where. It is used to ask about a place or position. For example, where are you from? Use where when you want to know the place. As uses used in questions about locations. Example, where is the nearest bank? Number 13 is when. It is used to ask about time or a time of an event. For example, when is your birthday? Use when to ask about time or a time of something. As a uses used in questions about time. Example, when does the movie start? Number 14 is why. It is used to ask for a reason or an explanation. For example, why are you studying English? Use why to ask about the reason for something. As a uses used in questions about reasons. For example, why did she leave early? Number 15 is how. It is used to ask about the way something is done or happens. For example, how do you study English? Use how to ask about the manner, method, or condition. As a uses used in questions about manner or method. Example, how was your day today? Number 16 is yes. It is used to give an affirmative answer or show agreement. For example, yes, I can help you. Use yes to agree or accept an offer, invitation, or question. As a uses, it is used for short answer to questions and shows agreement or confirmation. Number 17 is no. It is used to give a negative answer or show disagreement. Example, no, I don't think so. Use no to politely refuse, disagree, or say that something is not correct. As a uses used in short answers and to shows negative response or refusal. Number 18 is please. It is used to make a request more polite or show politeness. For example, please, can you help me? Always use please when asking for something politely. As a uses used to accept an offer, makes your request sound friendly and polite. Number 19 is thanks. It is used to show gratitude or to thank someone. Example, thanks for your help. Use thanks in everyday conversations to be polite and show appreciation. As always, to say thanks. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Or many thanks. And finally, number 20 is sorry. Used to apologize or to express regret. Example, sorry, I'm late. Use sorry when you want to apologize or show regret. As a way to say sorry. I apologize. I'm really sorry. My apologies.